Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes A200 AMG. It's got some lovely packs on it. It's absolutely top of the range and in stunning condition. Full Mercedes service history, having only just been recently serviced. And I'll just go through the car with you. See, we've got the front park distance control. It's finished in gleaming black. Got the diamond cut 5-star alloy wheels. Privacy glass to the rear park distance control. You can see the full AMG body styling with the rear diffuser. Absolutely beautiful. Full tilt and slide panoramic roof. Boot area is lovely. The rear parcel shelf there. This is where it comes into its own. The interior is absolutely beautiful. So we have the Alcantara leather with red stitch piping. We've got the ambient lighting, which I'll show you in a minute as well, that sets the car off. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. We've got electric memory seats with heated seats. That is front and passenger. To show you the ambient lighting. Got this beautiful ambient lighting that you can change. There's the passenger, electric windows, electric mirrors. No, sorry, start again. Electric memory seats and heated seats. It's the touch pad here that navigates all around this. We've got satellite navigation there, phone, radio, media, info, Merc app, settings. Do everything with this car. Got air conditioning, got paddle shift on the gearbox. We've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel here. If we open this up, so you've got your phone charger, cup holders, USBs. So let's go. So you get navigations on your map there. You've got this lovely tilt slide sunroof, panoramic. Can't really even park itself, this one. William Park it with a park drive. So at DJH have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.